Let's double check the fresh new token Monad. It's another guys layer 1. Why I'm laughing? Because you remember all previous layer 1, layer 2, layer 0, all of these solutions, it's absolutely useless. One take. Second one, you can believe or you can not believe, but the fundamental and everything what they trying to deliver us and post in social, it's absolutely no make sense for the price. So it's even worse than previous tokens because the market capitalization at this current moment is 390 million and FDV 3.6 billion. I don't remember which one token was with the biggest differences between the market capitalization and FDV. It's not good. Just for the future, guys. You can hate it, you can love it, but you will learn something in the next couple of months. Can this token skyrocket to the moon? Yes, of course. Even with the big FDV, with this type of market capitalization, we can skyrocket like Celestia. So absolutely everything possible. But how this token will end? You can open the chart of Celestia. All right, so now only 10% tokens unlock it. We got an A drop. Where that one? So the people, yes, the people get an A drop now, and they can sell. One take. Second one, we got a vesting schedule, so you have to track it. And we're going to use the initiation accumulation pump model, but I don't know why on a trading view there is no chart on HTX. We usually try to find the lowest listing price to remind the lowest zones of accumulation. But unfortunately, there is no chart on trading view of HTX, so that's why you have to keep in mind. Here's the levels, because on the HTX, the lowest listing price was 0.2025. On the Bybit and other exchanges, the lowest point is 0.205. So it's big differences between these levels. But anyway, at least for now, we can work with the Bybit. After that, maybe we'll determine the lowest point. Take a look, and body candle close was 2 cents and 5. And this one was 3 cents. All right, 2 cents and 5. Around here, we get a close. All right. So here, 0.5 level by FIB, the first zone of interest, where most likely we will see this token really soon. Maybe not soon, maybe after some weeks. It's here, 1 cent 38, 1 cent 11. So this is a way. And after that, it's 0.207 and 3. So this is the levels if we talk about a lowest listing price on HTX. Let's use the initiation accumulation pump model on the Bybit. And here, this is a 1 cent 77, 1 cent 47, and 1 cent 0.45, 0.2085. So this is a zone of interest for monads on Bybit. So this is the first zone. Only here, guys, I recommend you, you can do, of course, up to you what to do with your investment. I just share my vision of this token and how usually the tokens after listing with similar solutions, with similar price action, with similar I don't know, market capitalization, FDV, unlocks, and all of this stuff playing out the last 3 years. And I track with simple model, initiation accumulation pump model. Highly recommend you go and check free education videos. So this is going to be the next zone of interest. So first one, 1 cent 77, 1 cent 47. This is the first zone where you can only here start use DCA. If you believe, of course, the mono will skyrocket to the moon from now, up to you. But if you're not ready to see, for example, like minus 50% drop, better skip the token. So just in case, guys, it's just my humble opinion. We'll come back to this video, to this idea later. I will share this idea on TradingView, but keep in mind, guys, we can drop much lower because just approximately, if we use 0.025, so approximately like this one, and 2 and 5, so the zone of interest on HTX could be here a little bit lower. So this one. So the zone can start only at approximately, you saw the price on the HTX here, the 1 cent 4, 1 cent 13. Next one is 0.2074, 0.2057. So just be ready, guys, to see these targets also. And maybe that on the buy bid is going to be like invalidation of idea, right? It's like a sweep on the listing price, but on SGX it will be still not. That's why work with proper money management and the risk management. This is a zone of fixation profit, guys, based on the buy bid listing. That's why it's kind of difficult to analyze sometimes the tokens, because the exchanges get a different listing prices, different. The candle close depends of liquidity, maybe depends of manipulation. I don't know what the reason why the exchanges can't list the token with absolutely the same identical prices on the same day. All right, so most likely, guys, here are the zone of interest. First one. To buy now or not is up to you. I'm not recommended to buy now after listing. Just wait a few days, maybe a few weeks when we build the support, find the market makers will deliver the price to the right target. So they when they're soft, deliver the price with the bots to the right target, and when they stop. Fundraising rounds, guys. That's the most interesting part of the game. So undisclosed round, seed round was in zone 23, zone 24. No data about the price entry. IAO round and IAO round zone 25 was 0.025. I would be not surprised if the token will dump under the 2 cents. So around 0.23 by FIB, it's an IAO rounds for MON. This one. Maybe we're gonna find the support here, but anyway, you have to be ready to see the potential 30% drop. I hope you're not happy at the top at 50 cents. Alright, got it. Let's double check, guys, with my customer setup. What's going on now? Here was a signal to sell at minus 0.61 level by FIB. Now we try hold the line here, but most likely we will not hold the line here. Alright, for 1 hour time frame. Finally, on the 1 hour time frame, we get the take profit indicator. So here was a like sales and drop. Here's a buybacks, but the first support will be the buy line on the 1 hour time frame. It's 2.1071. With the week, we can test the IAO rounds like 2.44. If we drop, and most likely when we drop to this lowest point, that guys who not out of the break even, not fix the profit, they will be in losses. So that's a problem. And what they will do, have no idea. Now the road is straightforward to, yes, 0.02773. So this is a buy line on for 30 minutes time frame for the mel wall of this token, 38 level by FIB, 2.10075. Take profit line at 0.055 and 11. Got it. So highly recommend you guys go and check that free educational video how to work with this model. By the way, highly recommend you use the dashboard here. It's all in one place. Market mood still in A3 zone, guys. This one after listing, usually it's A3. On daily time frame, it's total A3. Everybody, wow, hype it. This coin going to the moon. 12 time frame, overhype it. 4 hour time frame, overhype it. This was a time to sell because we trade in the zone of distribution. Can we form that divergence? High divergence? Yes, of course. We can see something like bullish one, something like this one, for example, by end of, I don't know, maybe winter. And after that, collapse it down. We'll come back to this video later. I can be absolutely wrong, guys, but this is my take. This is my vision of this token and the model what the last 3 years the venture funds use. So on the 1 hour time frame, it's like kind of accumulation, but it's maybe for intraday. And finally, at least on the 1 hour time frame, we get a capitulation zone. On 4 hour time frame, this is still a free. So technically, it's not a right time to buy. Direction, no data on the 4 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we're going down. No accumulation yet. Money power, the last indicator, guys, some money inflow for 1 hour time frame. Here's the money in, bounce. Here was 2 obvious errors, high barriers they weren't see. Here's the money in, tiny bounce. Now nothing. And that's why some money in was here. Today somebody accumulated them buy bits, but I'm not sure it's the right move. 12 time frame, no data. So guys, be careful, because the most positive case scenario, of course, if we bounce and form by end of December, like Santa Rally, we can form the divergence. But if we pump to, for example, 10 cents, it's going to be the pretty hard drop after that to 1 cent 77, 1 cent 47. It's just my personal opinion. We'll come back to this video later and to trading view idea. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade as my customer service showed in this video is right, Mariam, don't forget, Joe Matekam channel. See you next time.